Welcome back students to your biology class. As I had mentioned in the previous session, today we will be learning some important terms related to this chapter. So let's begin with the first term, antigen. So antigen is nothing but a type of protein which is present on the surface of the invader or the pathogen. Antibodies. Antibodies are again special types of proteins which are present inside the blood which acts against the germs or their secretions or their pathogens. Pathogen. So we have been using this term regularly. Pathogen is nothing but the disease causing organism or disease causing microorganism. Immunity. Immunity is nothing but the resistance to a pathogen or a disease causing organism by the body. Infection. So the entry of the pathogen inside a body is termed as infection. To be more accurate, the entry of a disease causing organism inside a body is termed as infection. Incubation period. Incubation period is the interval between infection and the first appearance of symptoms of a disease. Incubation period is the interval between infection, that is when the pathogen enters the body, and the first appearance of symptom of a particular type of disease. Window period. Window period is the period or the interval between infection, that is the first entry of pathogen, and the time when the disease can be detected through some pathological test. So window period, the interval between infection and the time when it can be detected through any pathological or lab test. Treatment. Treatment is the act or manner or method to cure, to make all right an illness, a disease or an injury. Allergy. Allergy is nothing but a hyper response or a hypersensitiveness to any common agent. So these common agents can be heat, cold, sunlight, fibers or even pollen grains, and these common agents are termed as allergens. Okay. So allergy is nothing but the hypersensitivity of our body towards these common agents. Immunization. Immunization is a method of stimulation of our body by artificial means, like some vaccines are injected inside our body to fight against these pathogens or germs. So I hope all these terms are clear to you. So the next is vaccines. So what are vaccines? Vaccines are nothing but preparation of weakened microbes or infectious agents or their products which can be injected or given orally to prevent any specific diseases. So they actually do not cause any disease, but once they are inside the body of an organism, any subsequent exposure to that particular type of microbe, they will actually prevent their causing any kind of infection or diseases. So nowadays if you see, vaccines are available for many diseases, tetanus, typhoid, chickenpox, etc. And you must have also heard that vaccines are getting prepared for our COVID also. So the process of giving vaccines or vaccinating a person is termed as vaccination. So I hope all these important terms are clear to you. So in this chapter we will be using many terms. So keep learning these terms, keep learning their definitions so that you get accustomed to them. So until we meet in the next class, goodbye children.